la ukuba ngethule nanka ama candidate ngoba la eZululand sinama by election awu4 njengoba kukhona ezohlala ngolwesithathu ehlala la kuleli ward esikulo namhlanje ucandidate wakhona okungumfowethu Ndwandwe phakamisa ke Ndwandwe bese kuthi ngomhla ka-18 March sizoba nama by election amathathu kuzoba ne by election yakwa Ward 7 lapha kwaNongoma ezobe imelwe udadewethu uMesisi Mtshali phakamisa ke mama Mtshali nani bantu besifazane anibanyunyane bese kuthi kwa Ward 20 sizomelwa ngumfowethu uKhanyi phakamisa kaMkhanyi kune by election kwa Ward 12 esebaQulusini yona kumelwe ngumfowethu uThulani Buthelezi simbiza ngo Big Show Bulawayo lama by election